Today is Tuesday, October 6th. This is the 1968 Cadillac DeVille 4-button cluster switch from my friend John in Point City, and I've gone ahead and resealed the bottom with the original Bakelite epoxy resin, and therefore nothing can get inside, such as the dielectric grease or any of the other contaminants that it was subjected to. And of course it reinforces all of the electrical prongs, which he is independently connecting with independent connections as opposed to the flat panel pigtail connector. So I'm going to be doing a functional validation test under power. Very, very simple test. We have a light bulb here connected to a battery. We'll be looking for the battery to come on when we actuate each of the switches. Each of the switches has two prongs, an up and a down prong, an up and a down prong. Okay, up and down, up and down. Okay, for the fronts and the rears, and a single prong that provides the electrical continuity for the switch body. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my connector to the power feed prong, and we'll be looking for the light bulb to come on as I make contact and actuate each of the individual connectors. And we'll go ahead now and begin the test, and we'll press the buttons and touch the prongs and look for the light bulb to come on. Okay, so up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we've tested the passenger side. Now we'll test the driver's side. Turn it over. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that is the functional validation test for the electrical continuity for the 4-button cluster switch. Okay, that has been resealed for my friend John in Boyne City. Today is Tuesday, October 7th. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Tuesday, October 7th. Thank you very kindly.